Starting a new Indiana business. This can be performed online. Go to inbiz.in.gov. This is what you will be seeing once you go online. This is going to be your visual. The up arrow is for you to select if you're starting a new business. Select the up arrow. Once again, once you click on that up arrow, you will either sign in or you would create an account right up under the blue sign in. After that, anything that is pertaining to you and your business, you would make those selections. Please read carefully. This should take you about 15 minutes. And you have two choices. You can have the system guide you, which is a wizard, or you can use the frequent user if you're already used to the system. Again, please read carefully and select what applies to you. This is me performing this for myself to start my business, so I'm selecting things for me and my personal business. This says sole proprietor and general partnership. There are several ways to structure and manage your business. Informal associations such as sole proprietors and general partnerships do not file with the Indiana Secretary of State. The sole proprietors and general partnerships file at the county records office. In addition, sole proprietors and general partnerships may be required to register with the Department of Workforce Development and the Department of Revenue, depending on the type of business. Sole proprietorship, one person who conducts business for profits. The sole ownership assumes complete responsibility for all liabilities and debts of the business. Single taxation, tax structure. The income of the business is reported as part of the owner's personal income. General partnership, two or more individuals as co-owners of a for-profit business. Partnership should operate under a written partnership agreement. All partners are responsible for the liabilities and debts of the partnership. Single taxation, tax structure. Income of the business is reported as part of each partner's personal income. Please contact your local recorder for further information. And then I have a section where you can click here to locate your county recorder. You will need to register with Department of Workforce Development if your business has employees. For more information, click here again. Then I have a helpline, if you can see it, 1-317-234-9768 if you need assistance. Again, that helpline number is 317-234-9768. As you can see, this website is to create a sole proprietorship and general partnership business. Make your selection. I am creating a sole proprietor business, so this asks for that type of information. Enter that information in that it requires. And it does provide that number again, just in case you need assistance. And this is for New and Small Business Education Center as well. That number is 317-234-9768. You also have to include what type of business there is on this page right here. And the subcodes are dependent on the main codes. The main codes are for the type of business that you have, you're opening. Then you have to put in your primary location of your business. Then you add the responsible parties and or affiliates. The affiliates are your employees. Because I'm filing and it's only me, I'm filing for Chief Executive Officer. Then I was greeted by this lovely banner. Okay, guys, so the last picture that you saw showed where I was having issues with trying to add myself as a responsible party because I'm a sole proprietor business. I called the phone number and I was informed that was the reason why I was unable to add a responsible party was because it was a sole proprietor. So I was told to go to in.gov/door. Go here and then go to the search bar and type in business tax forms. Click on the very first option that pulls up, which is that. And it's going to be the third one down, which is BT1, Business Tax Application, and it is a PDF. You have to actually fill this in and mail it. I'm gonna go ahead and I got it downloaded already. This is where you would click right here. And so I already got it downloaded. So you'd have to get this printed out. And from my understanding, there is a $25 fee involved. You have to mail it to the address below, which is Indiana Department of Revenue, Tax Administration Processing, P.O. Box 6197, Indianapolis, Indiana 46206-6197. So this concludes, and it's a bunch of legal mumbo jumbo. This concludes the tutorial on how to apply for a business in the state of Indiana.